Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the call by reference using reference variable that is in C++. So let us start how it's possible, and only 4 byte that is possible in C++ swap to integer value. So here I open turbo C++. Yes, that now yes selected and take some time, and now it's open. Yes, and alter F file menu, and yes I give the concept call by reference. Okay, yes, here is remaining call by reference using reference variable. That is a new for you if you not understand the reference variable. So if you okay, so call by reference variable, call by reference using reference variable. So that is, let us check how it's possible. So like pointer variable that we can swap, but that they use 8 byte in memory location. But here 4 byte that is possible. We can swap our integer variable. So first we can IO string dot h input output. String means collection of byte. Okay, and here conio.h console input output, and directly taking the main, and then we can define. Okay, now you have to know very well in between there is a definition section of program. So here first I can save this file. So here we can give call by uh, reference ref, yes, and .c++ is automatically given by this editor. So here return data type void, that is, and function name swap, and here integer ampersand, that is a new, I think you have to know very well, that is a reference variable in C++. Ampersand is an extra use if you know how the reference variable in C++. So you can first watch my previous my video lecture reference variable in C++. So then you can better understand of this concept, how to swap possible only 4 byte, because there is a not giving the new address location in ampersand sign. There is a extra use, that is a alias, alternative name of existing variable. So 2 byte there is a 2 name. Okay, so like in person one original name and one pet name. So that type thing is happen in swap in ampersand sign. That is a not taking new extra variable. So here I just show you how the string. Yes, so here IO string. So C out and C in, I think you have to know very well. IO string is there, and that I string is a C object, and O string is C out, and then all inherit IO string. So superclass is a IO string, then I string, O string inherit IO string. So we can include the IO string.h. I think you have to know very well. Okay, now we can take X and Y. Okay, and then we can clear the screen. CLRSCR. Yes, yes, check it there. So CLRSCR. Yes, now spelling. Okay, now we can give the X and Y value. So enter X value, yes, and C in, we can scan X, and then I just copy. You can both in one scene scan X and Y both in same way. One scene also if possible, like here I give the example. So both value one also scan, but here we can separate scan. Okay, now we can call, but we can first print the before and after. So that type of message. Okay, so uh, before swap X and Y values. Okay, so let us here X, then one blank space, and then Y, and then we can give the endl new line, that is manipulators, and you have to know very well, I think. And swap, that is a call by. Okay, so calling, that is a, that is 3 critical elements. So here we can declare the definition, here calling, and after main we can definition, and here is a declaration. So there is a 3 main element of UDF, user defined function. So here we can pass just X and Y. Yes, and then I just like a we can call by value, that type of simple we have to pass x and y value. Okay, and here we can also print again after swap, and then we can provide here get ch, so that we can see our output as it is same time. And after the main, we can definition of our swap function. So integer ampersand, and I declare. So AB is a not new name, but uh, not declare the 2 bytes is not holding AB, but that is a new name given by the X and Y location. So X location now refer as a name. So just give the new name. We can say that X is a, now that syntax I just write for you. So that is a reference variable integer, and then ampersand sign A and equal to, we can say that X. So one location, two name. A and X are both refer the same location. So that is a syntax of reference variable. So data type, that is first, and reference variable name A, and then simple, or we can say that variable name. So there is a syntax of reference variable in C++. Okay, so that statement convert to here, like I just show you in X, for example, integer ampersand, and then X is combined to here, like, and here also, now here is combined to Y. So that is a X and Y, like look like that syntax. So that is a data type, that is a reference variable, and that is a variable name equal sign. So that is a in same place declaration and initialize. So here also that is a data type, that is a reference variable name, and that is a variable name in equal sign. So I just show you that is we cannot give that type of, but that is a converting this statement. Okay, so that is a important. And now we can take one integer temp variable, and I temp you to, or you can just simple any variable x, and you have to know x is a now y, and y is a temp. So that is a convert. And also you can directly, like I just one statement remove. First we can check and concise some statement remove this logic. So yes, one. Okay, okay. Here we can provide the A and B, not because that is out of scope. Okay. So here you can give the AB variable, not XY. So that happen in error. So that is now location is refer same, but here name we can must be in AB, not give the X and Y. Okay. So that we can change to according to that demand programming. So here we can give the now A is transfer, so we can give the A value to B value, and now B value will assign the temp value. So that is now okay. So there is no any error. Okay, now we can yes, that possible only 4 byte we can, that is better, like call by value holding 8 byte but not swap, and call by reference using pointer that swap but that holding 8 byte, but in call by reference variable, that is reference, call by reference and reference variable, we have to use this concept. So that is a only 4 bytes, and that swap is possible. That is very important. And here we can remove one statement, like I directly assign to A in C++, that we can directly initialize and assignment, that is compound statement, declaration and initialization in one place. So we can one concise our program, one statement we can remove. Now also here I can again, here we can be two statement remove. So you can scan X and Y both in one place, C in. Okay, so that is also possible. So let us how I just show you. I just remove this line, and here give the message enter X and Y value. Okay, and here directly 2 time operator input X and Y. So that is we can concise our main sum. After our perfect main logic is work, we can some logic understand how our program is concise. Reduce your variable, reduce your statement, loop decision statement of if you use in your program, loop if you reduce anything, you have to understand. Okay, now I give yes, so there is no any error. Enter, or you can one give the one blank page, that is also possible. So I think you can understand. Yes, that is swap call by absent. Write this program to your note. I just close this program. Yes, and Alt X. Subscribe my channel Ashok Sija Electronic. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.